In today's video, I am going to tell you how to drift a car. After watching this video, I am 100% sure you will be able to drift. So, let's start the video. Drifting is a driving technique, where the driver intentionally oversteers, causing loss of traction in the rear wheels, while maintaining control through the corner. The basic 5 steps of drifting are: approach the corner at high speed. When drifting, it's crucial to enter the corner at a high speed, to generate the necessary momentum for the drift. The higher speed helps in inducing oversteer, and maintaining the slide throughout the drift. Initiate the drift by turning sharply, and inducing oversteer. To initiate a drift, the driver will turn the steering wheel sharply, in the desired direction of the drift, while applying the accelerator. This combination of steering input, and throttle control, helps break traction in the rear wheels, causing the oversteer effect that is essential for drifting. Control the drift by balancing throttle, steering, and counter-steering inputs. During the drift, it's important to maintain control by carefully balancing the throttle, steering, and counter-steering inputs. Adjusting these inputs enables the driver to control the angle and speed of the drift, while keeping the car on the intended path. Use the accelerator to maintain the slide, and adjust the angle of the drift. The accelerator plays a crucial role in drifting, as it helps maintain the slide by keeping the rear wheels spinning. By modulating the throttle, the driver can adjust the angle of the drift, controlling how wide or tight the drift is throughout the corner. Exit the drift smoothly and regain traction to exit the corner. As the corner ends, the driver needs to smoothly transition out of the drift, by reducing throttle and counter-steering to regain traction. This allows the car to straighten out, regain grip on the road surface, and exit the corner smoothly, without losing control. It's important to execute this step carefully, to ensure a safe and controlled exit from the drift maneuver. These were the 5 basic steps of drifting. I am sure that you enjoy drifting, and if you like the video, then don't forget to like and share the video, and if you want this type of knowledgeable videos, then subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon. Thank you.